Hi guys, you're welcome back to Nigerian News and Entertainment, a number one channel for entertainment news, celebrity gist happening around. Happening today, Kirk Douglas, Hollywood legend and star of Spartacus, dies. Actor Kirk Douglas, a fixture of cinema for 6 decades, has died aged 103. The stage and screen actor was well known for a range of roles, including the 1960 classic Spartacus, in which he played the titular character. Born in New York in 1916, he rose to prominence during Hollywood's golden age, earning his first Oscar nomination for the 1949 boxing story Champion. He was also the father of Oscar-winning actor Michael Douglas. Michael said in a statement, "It is with tremendous sadness that my brothers and I announce that Kirk Douglas left us today. To the world, he was a legend, an actor from the golden age of movies. But to me and my brothers, Joel and Peter, he was simply Dad." It read in part, "Let me end with the word that I told him on his last birthday, which will always remain true. Dad, I love you so much. I am so proud to be your son." Michael's wife and Kirk's daughter-in-law, Welsh actress Catherine Zeta-Jones, posted a photo of the two together, writing, "I shall love you for the rest of my life. I miss you already." When I met Kirk Douglas in 2018, he was a sprightly 91. He talked about his advancing years and the impact of stroke in 1996 had on his skills as an actor. "I couldn't talk at all," he told me. "So what does an actor do who can't talk? He waits for silent pictures to come back." That's a corny joke. Douglas was particularly proud of his role in ending the Nollywood blacklist when he defied the ban on working with filmmakers with alleged communist ties or sympathies. He said he drew on the impulsive qualities of younger Kirk in making his decision to give the blacklisted writer Dalton Trumbo a screen credit under his own name for his work on Spartacus. We discussed his passion for working with young people. He has started writing a blog to encourage young Americans to vote in the year's presidential election. Douglas and his wife donated millions of dollars to charitable causes and helped build hundreds of school playgrounds. He said their philosophy was, before you die, try to do something for other people. Douglas was prolific as a film actor with more than 90 credits to his name, ranging from 7 decades from the 1940s to the 2000s. He is perhaps best known for Spartacus, a Stanley Kubrick film, which won 4 Oscars and was so popular that its iconic "I am Spartacus" scene entered the pop culture lexicon. Douglas was himself nominated for an Oscar 3 times for Champion 1949, The Bad and the Beautiful 1952, and The Lust for Life 1956. He eventually won the honorary award in 1996 in recognition of his 50 years in the industry. What a great guy. R.I.P. Kirk Douglas.